how to use PlayStation Accessories app. So guys, if you're looking to customize your Sony DualSense Edge controller and make the most of it, and also be able to update the firmware through this software, you can easily do that. And I will also give you some really cool tips as to how you can customize your DualSense Edge controller through this software. It's really cool. So to begin, of course, we'll need to download it first. So for that, just type in PlayStation Accessories. There you go, and go to this page and just download it for Windows, alright? And then just install it. As you can see, we will have this interface and you can use it with Edge. Alright, and next up, we can launch the app. There you go. This is the interface. As you can see, pretty simple, minimalistic, no garbage inside the app. I can't resize it, right? Yeah, thanks Sony. Alright, so anyway, as you can see, my DualSense Edge is now connected. It shows also the firmware, the firmware version, and it says up to date, or if there's going to be any updates for your firmware on your controller, you will see that the update is available. Also guys, make sure to understand, in order to be able to use this app, you will have to update your firmware on your controller, otherwise, well, sadly, it just won't let you customize anything. And guys, in here, your controller will be automatically detected, unless you have two of them and you can add another one. Which is fine, you can do that. And what do we have here? So this app is mainly used to customize your controller's back buttons, but of course this isn't the only feature that this app has. We can also customize a bunch of other things. So let's go through the back buttons first, because it's easier to pretty much explain it. So go to the gear icon. In here, if you want to do some customization, for example, setting the indicator's brightness, or receive the feedback when switching profiles, like haptic feedback by vibration or by the indicator on the controller, you can set this up. Otherwise, let's go to the profiles. As you can see, you can also take the tool if you wish. This will give you a small little guide. And now to start customizing, just click on any profile right here on the left and then go to edit. And now as you can see, what we can do here, customize buttons, stick sensitivity and dead zone. This is really cool. Vibration and trigger dead zone. So back buttons, there you go. You go here, you press on, as you can see, this is the left back pedal and the right back pedal. You click on this, choose which button you wish to remap it to, and just save it. And you can do this for both. Also, you can change these buttons as well. As you can see, we can fully remap our controller in any way we like. Then we go to sticks. And in here you can choose the curve that you desire. I don't personally use this app to play games, I use DS for Windows, but you can set it, as you can see, to different modes, say precise, steady, digital, dynamic, whatever, it's up to you. And also there's a dead zone slider. As you can see, I've set it to a 0%, depending on your sticks quality, if they drift or not too much, it's up to you how to set it. And as you can see, you can do this for both sticks. Also, we have vibration. I don't personally use it that much, so if you want to customize it, go ahead. And also we have the trigger dead zone. In my case, I set it depending on which game I play. If I play shooters, I set it to a very low travel distance. If I play, say, GTA or something, or some racing games, I set it to the full travel. So that's pretty much the rundown. Very easy. Also, if you wish, you can test your controller, press on the buttons, test the sticks, etc. And yeah, and then if you want to switch the profile, I'm going to show you which buttons to use. So you use this FN button right over here, and then one of the buttons on this panel right here on the right panel. Your controller will vibrate. It's actually very pleasant, and yeah, then you will understand instantly that your profile has been changed. So that's pretty much the app. Very, very awesome. Very glad that they added this ability to customize the controller and also update the firmware, and not through the PS5, but through the your computer. If this video was helpful, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.